In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Webflow. Adding images as backgrounds is a fantastic way to make your website more engaging and visually appealing. Let's dive right in. To begin, let's consider where you'd like your background image to appear. Are you aiming for it to span the entire page? Or do you prefer it to be more localized within a specific section? Once you've decided, follow along with the method that suits your design needs best. If you're looking to set a background image within a specific section, here's how you can easily make that happen. Start by selecting the section element within the designer. You'll find this process is streamlined, ensuring you have creative control without unnecessary complications. Next, direct your attention to the Style panel located conveniently on the right side of your interface. In this panel, locate the Backgrounds option. You'll see a plus icon which you'll want to click. From there, select Image and proceed to upload your chosen file. Once your image is in place, you have various settings at your disposal like position, tiling, and sizing. Should you desire that the image completely cover your section, go ahead and select the Cover option. This will ensure a seamless and polished look. Now, if what you're envisioning is a full-page background, don't worry, I've got you covered. Begin by navigating to the body element within the Navigator panel. This allows you to incorporate the image across the entire page. Following this, you'll essentially repeat the same straightforward steps you just mastered in the Style panel. Upload your background image and enjoy watching it transform the entire page. Here's an added bonus tip for elevating your design. Consider layering multiple backgrounds. By doing this, you can add a gradient or a color overlay on top of your image. It's these additional layers that can truly give your site a professional and dynamic appearance without overwhelming your main content. As a crucial final step, don't forget to preview how your background appears on different devices. Webflow makes this easy, ensuring your design looks great, whether viewed on a desktop, tablet, or phone. Adjustments might be necessary to maintain the best possible aesthetic across platforms. Keep an eye on these cross-device previews to perfect your site's presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully added a stunning background image to your Webflow site. If you found this tutorial helpful, do give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful Webflow tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.